pitch to Lee from Dion, the left-hander, will be right there for a strike. So after Lee, we'll see Akil Baddoo, the left fielder. Justin Henry Malloy, the right fielder, will bat third. Chase Young, the DH, he'll bat fourth. Max Anderson, the second baseman, bats fifth. Ryan Kreidler batting sixth. Eduardo Valencia batting seventh. Trey Cruz, the shortstop, bats eighth. Batting ninth is the catcher, Brian Serven. There's just 2 for 18 last week in Louisville. And he'll shoot one foul down the right field line. Going. 7 on the year. Swing and a foul up and out of play. You know who's
in a year.
That's right. 1-2 pitch. Swung on and missed. Dion gets him on a curveball. Hao-Yu Lee strikes out. The bat of Wilson working from the third base side of the rubber. He gets the ground ball over to third. It's a fair ball. They'll go to second. They don't get the out there. And everybody's safe. Bazana got in there with a head-first slide. Safe at first is Wilson. And there's 2 on with 1 out. That's a fielder's choice for Will Wilson.
Yeah, good hustle by Bazana. I think the ball just a little back Lee up a little bit at third base, and I think his play was probably better at first base.
Well, so far, Mud Hens a double and a walk against Dion. The walk after that was a 5-4-3 double. The 0-1. That one driven high in the air, foul and out of play. Has the pitch outside. Pitch. He works from the first base side. The left-hander delivers inside corner. Strike 3 called. Lee fans for the second time in the game. And that is strikeout. 2-1 the count on him. And the pitch. Wilson's going to ground it to third. Lee's going to come home. They'll get the force there. Relay in time. A 5-2-3 double play. Yeah, that's one you write down all the time on your bingo card, don't you?
It was a nice play. Made the smart decision going home with it. Gave Serven a nice firm throw. Made it pretty easy for him to complete that double play.
Now it's second and third, but 2 outs for Jonathan Rodriguez. 1 for 2 in the 1-1. Chopper up the third baseline. Lee's going to glove it, throw across in time. Heck of a play there by Hao-Yu Lee. Oh, he just came up with a dandy there defensively.
Yeah, had to charge hard with that and throw on the run. That's always a tough play, throwing across his body like that. Threw a perfect strike to first base. Little surprised that the base runner, Watson, didn't go to third base on that play.
4 runs, 2 walks, 5 Ks. Gives way to the right-hander, Jack Leftwich. Delivers high to Hao-Yu Lee. 1-1 the count on Hao-Yu Lee. Take a look at the numbers here on Leftwich in a moment. As the righty delivers, slow roller off the bat of Lee. It was a check swing, and it goes right to first. Noel with the play. 3 unassisted. 1 up, 1 gone. ERA, 31 appearances, 34 2/3 innings of work. He's allowed only 23 hits, 13 earned runs. He has walked 21 and struck out as he faces Hao-Yu Lee. Top of the order for the Mud Hens. And Lee takes one in the dirt. 1-1.
Yeah, teams are only hitting 190 off of him. So he's doing something right.
Yeah, certainly the left-hander. You look more at that batting average against or ERA when you're kind of mapping pitchers. Swing, well, he held up. Did he go around? No. 2-1 pitch, swing and a foul back.
Definitely look at matchups, left versus right and right. You get a guy that.
And a drive in the air to right field off the bat of Hao-Yu Lee is going to bang up against the wall. Lee hustling, throw to second, not in time. Boy, he rocketed that baseball 103 off the bat, off the right field wall. It was played perfectly by Rodriguez, and Lee hustled in though.
It's well hit ball. Squared it up nice.
That'll bring up Akil Baddoo, 15th double on the year for Hao-Yu Lee. Snapping. Crook will check the runner. Delivers, swing and a miss. He got a lot of pitches. 3-1 pitch from Crook. Grounded, fair down the third baseline. And a rounding third is Lee. He will score. Justin Henry Malloy gives the Hens a 5. How you lead to the plate. 2 down, 2 on. Mud Hens trying to add on a run before we go to the 9th. Stephan on the mound. And he will rock and fire in tight. Lee lifts the arm. And the pitch will be low. Looks like he'll be the guy. He's going to the top of the order as well. Pitch off the plate. I'm going to say he takes one here. 3-0. Nope, I was wrong.
You'll challenge him again with another fastball.
3-1 pitch. He does, and it's lifted foul. And the runners go in. Pitch inside, ball 4. He walked him. That'll load him up for Akil Baddoo. All right, let's